Okay, today I am going to solve the problem, that is the airflow to a 4-cylinder 4-stroke oil engine. So from here data are given as, that is the 4-cylinder, so K equals to 4. Okay, 4-stroke oil engine is measured by means of 5 centimeter diameter orifice. So DO is 5 centimeter, having a coefficient of discharge is 0.6, that is CD is 0.6. During a test on the engine, following data are recorded. Bore is 10 centimeter, so D is 10 centimeter. Stroke is, that is small n, 12 centimeter. Speed n equals to 1200 rpm. Braking torque is 120 Newton meter. Fuel consumption 5 kg per hour, that is MF 5 kg per hour. Calorific value of fuel is 42 megajoule per kg. 42 megajoule per kg. Pressure drop across the orifice is 4.6 centimeter of water, that is delta H. 4.6 centimeter. Okay. Ambient temperature is 17 degree. 273 plus 17, so 290 Kelvin, and pressure is 1 bar, so 10 to the power 5 Newton per meter square. So calculate the thermal efficiency on brake power basis. So first we have to calculate the brake power. Brake power formula is 2 pi n into T by 60,000. So brake power formula is 2 pi n T by 60,000. So from here 2 into pi into n is 1200. Torque is 120 Newton meter by 60,000. So 2 pi n T by 60,000. So brake power will be, if we calculate it, it will be 2 into pi into 1200 into 120 divided by 60,000. 15.08. Okay. Now, so we have to calculate the brake thermal efficiency. So eta BTH brake power by MF into CV. MF into CV. So MF equals to, calorific value is 42 megajoule per kg. So CV is 42,000 kilojoule per kg. CV equals to, okay. Now MF, mass of fuel, is 5 kg per hour. So 5 kg per hour. So it will be 1 hour equals to 3600 seconds. So in 3600 seconds it will be 5 kg. So for 1 it will be 5 by 3600 kg per second. So eta BTH equals to brake power, that is 15.08 divided by 5 into 42,000 into 3600. So it will be 15.08 into 3600 divided by 5 into 42,000. 0.2585. It will be multiplied by 100 for efficiency. So it will be 25.85%. Okay. Now coming to the second case, that is brake mean effective pressure. So brake mean effective pressure, it is PBM equals to BP into 60,000 divided by L into A into N into K. This is the formula. So it will be PBM equals to brake power is 15.08 into 60,000 divided by L is 0.12, area is pi by 4, 0.1 whole square. Small n is the number of power strokes. So it will be 1200 by 2. So it will be 600 into K is 4. So PBM will be pi by 4 into 0.1 square into 0.12 into 600 into 4, 15.08 into 60,000 divided by answer. So it will be 4 bar. Okay. Coming to the next problem, that is third case, the volumetric efficiency. Volumetric efficiency based on free air condition. So volumetric efficiency will be VA by VS. So VS equals to pi by 4 into D square into L into N into K. So pi by 4, D will be here 0.1 whole square, L will be here 0.12, N will be 600 into 4. So Vs equals to pi divided by 4, pi by 4 into 0.1 square into 0.12 into 600 into 4. So it will be 2.2619 meter cube per minute. Okay, now VA, so P into VA equals to M into R into T. So from here, so M by VA equals to rho A equals to P by R into T. So density of air, that is rho A, will be P is 1 bar, so it will be 10 to the power 5 divided by R is 287 to T is 290. So it will be now 287 into 290, 10 to the power 5 divided by answer. So it will be 1.2 kg per meter cube. 1.2 kg per meter cube. Okay. So now VA formula is CD into A into root over 2G into delta H by rho W by rho A. So it will be CD is 0.6 into pi by 4 DO, that is the orifice diameter is 5 centimeter, so 0.05 meter whole square into, it will be root over 2 into 9.81 in delta H, it is 4.6, so it will be 0.046 into, it will be 1000 by 1.2. So it will be now 1000 divided by 1.2 into 0.046 into 9.81 into 2 root over answer into so 27.42 into pi by 4 into 0.05 square into 0.6. So it will be pi by 0.05 square into 0.6 into 27.42. So it will be 0.032 into 60 for minute. So 1.938 meter cube per minute. So meter cube per minute. So now eta V equals to 1.938 divided by Vs will be 2.2619 into 100 for efficiency. So it will be divided by 2.2619 into 100. So 85.68%. That will be the answer.